What up mga solid subscribers no? Ay guys, meron tayong meron tayong titingnan ngayon na this is a post or post to sa Twitter no, or ngayon ang tawag na po is X no. Tingnan natin 'to maigi guys no, kasi may kumbaga way back daw to. Sobrang throwback pa po ito no, way back 2019 pa po yata itong poster ito no. If I'm correct no. So very big shoutout kay very big shoutout kay Joan Gonzalez guys no. Very big shoutout kay Joan Gonzalez no. So sinenya. So sabi niya dito is view my post caps. This is a news article in Philippine Daily Inquirer published way back in September 19, 2019 no. So nga so 19, 2019 and September alam ko 9 din ng di ba? So puro 19 no. Talagang alam mo yun yung chain of destiny. Hindi ko tama sinabi ko. Nakilala mo sila before pa. We feel soft seeing them in the dawn of their career. How much more ikaw na nakasama yung pasistel sa jeep, mga ganung bagay. Oh, so ano pala si Joan Gonzalez no? Talagang way back pa talaga na nanonood na siya ng aking mga videos no. Kasi talagang dati po sa aking kahit mga dati mga videos no. Talagang nakwento ko na nga before na talagang nakasama ko si Stel no sa grupo no, sa STI, nakagrupo ko siya. And ayan no. Yun, nakwento ko na yun. And tingnan nyo yung ibang video regarding po kay Stel. I just want to say I appreciate you for being still here. Sa dami ng nakilala nila, madami nagpunta at nawala, nandyan ka pa rin. Thank you, Cap. So, okay, no? So, meron na rin pala mga nawala. I don't know kung pinerpertain niya rito yung sa mga gumagawa na reaction video or mga sumusuporta, gumagawa ng content about sa SB19, no? Ano pa ba? Like, kunyari, kahit siguro mga friends or common friends or mga mataas na tao, no? Pero, up to this day talaga suporta pa rin tayo sa SB19 no. Syempre guys no, susuporta ka na lang din lang. Alam mo yung kasabihan na susuporta ka na lang din lang. Doon na tayo sa kakilala natin, doon tayo sa kababayan natin, especially syempre sa isang taong nakasama mo talaga no, which is Stella. At the same time, yun, hindi ko man nakasama ang buong SB19 no. Pero si Josh, nakita ko na siya sa event while nagpe-perform ang Seyon that time no. Pero hindi ko talaga siya nakakausap. Ang nakakausap ko talaga si Jelu of Yara no. Dahil si Jelu nakasama ko rin sa STI yan. At the same time si Stel no, sa STI no, nakasama ko sila no. And ayun, kaya sila talaga yung close ko talaga that time no. Ayun, okay. Tingnan natin yung yung sinad niya guys no. So, ito yung caption niya guys, no. Hindi ko lang alam kung siya mismo to, no. Pero sabi niya, i-share ko lang bago ko itago ulit sa baul, no. September 21, 2019, issue ng Inquirer.net. So guys, Inquirer.net po ito guys. Inquirer.net. Isa to sa mga malalaking talaga guys, malalaking companies talaga pagdating po talaga sa mga news, Lahat guys, mga nangyayari sa ating bansa or kahit di lang sa ating bansa, kahit all over the world guys, no. Isa to sa mga sobrang pinagkakatiwalaan talaga guys no. Okay, at SB19 #SB19. Okay, kaya nanta guys yung post. Okay, ito yung full full na pinaka-article mismo guys no. Yan, pinaka-headline niya guys is SB19 Pinoy boy band with K-pop sound is winning fame and perhaps making history no. So alam niyo yung mga moment na to no. Kahit ako nabasa ko lang to no, na-imagine ko na yung moment na ako sa time na alam mo yun, bagong-bago sa akin talaga ang SB19. Although na yung K-pop guys, matagal na po talaga siya. No? Pero yung SB19, bagong-bago siya sa akin. Actually guys, to be honest with you, hanggang nung napanood ko yung Go Up na video nila, no, hindi ko alam na si Stel pala is member ng isang P-pop group, no? Which is, or nagka-training siya sa isang P-pop group, no? Yun nga, which is SB19. Hindi ko alam guys, lalo na lumabas yung yun yung Go Up no, yung Go Up na dance practice nila guys no. So a very big shoutout tayo sa aking kagrupo sa sayo before and aking schoolmate no, si Mark Ramos no. Get well Mark, get well sa Mark no. Pagaling ka no. And alam ko okay na siya ngayon, pero syempre pagaling ka pa no. Alam ko grabe yung stress na pinagdaanan mo before sa work mo no. Sobra grabe. Kaya pagaling ka boy, pagaling ka no. Kita-kits soon. And ito, yung siya yung nag-introduce sa akin sa SB19. Sabi nga niya sa akin, no, Peds, panoorin mo tong, kasi nagre-react na ako before, no, kung papanoorin yung mga video ko, no. Pinakauna kong reaction video about sa P-pop or syempre about sa SB19 is yung Go Up dance practice nila. Hindi ko maalala kung Go Up dance practice or yung Go Up music video nila mismo, no? Pero I'm pretty sure guys baka yung Go Up dance practice yun. Sabi niya, "Peds, panoorin mo to kasi nagre-react na ako before sa mga iba-iba, like mga the hip-hop dance videos and kung ano-ano, sobrang halo-halo. And then try ko manood ng SB19. And nagulat ako nga doon na actually hindi ako ito the point na nagulat kasi nung pinanood ko, kasi dati kasi guys, pag nanonood ako ng video, no, talaga nire-research ko siya. Nagre-research pa rin ako guys ngayon, pero alam mo yun, nire-research ko siya kasi mamaya wala akong masabi, no. And nire-research ko sa SB19, nakita ko si Stelpo doon guys. Gulat na gulat talaga ako as in, no? And then ayun nga, pinanood ko siya and ginawa ko siya reaction video and yun yung initial reaction ko kung ano yung may kita niya, no? So balikan niyo yun guys, sobrang solid nun, no? Parang gusto kong panoorin ulit yan, no? So okay guys, ito yung ano lang, no, yung headline nila, no? Okay, zoom in natin to. Ayan. In this to be you exclusive, the boys from humble beginnings and over 1 million views on YouTube finally go up, no? Okay, no? Grabe, so ito yata yung kasagsagan pa po talaga ng Go Up guys, no? So kasagsagan ng Go Up era nila talaga, no? University of Philippines Los Baños class of 2019, no? I knew SB19 before, mahaba-haba to guys, ha? So bear with me guys, bear with me. I knew SB19 before meeting them was that they're an all Filipino group with a K-pop sound rapidly building momentum on social media with over 1 million views on YouTube thanks to their fresh sound, unquestionable talent, and good looks, no? So, etong gumawa ng article na to guys, I'm pretty sure, no? Isa siya, hindi ako I'm pretty sure, no? Talagang isa siya talaga sa mga unang naniwala talaga sa kakayahan or sa kung ano ang quality na binibigay ng SB19, no? I arrived in an empty office of ShowBT. Okay, pumunta siya mismo, Philippines Corporation, the event or concerts production company that handles the group. This is where they hold rehearsals. I came a bit earlier than the appointed time and was greeted by a tall guy who immediately apologized. "I'm so sorry, our manager's not yet here." Okay. Nabasa niya ba? He then asked, "Would you like to make you some coffee or get some water?" He introduced himself as Stel. Wow! Grabe! Si Stel, no? Grabe, no? Guys, don't get me wrong. Up until now, guys, si Stel, ganyan pa rin yan, guys. Believe me. Yung talaga napaka down to earth niya. So, hindi nagbago, no? Hindi nagbago, no? Di ba nga, yung latest na vlog natin, no? Si Stel pa yung nagturo sa W3 dancers, guys, di ba? Nakita niyo, no? Siya pa yung nagturo ng choreography ng tinuro nila yung 8-ton ball ata. Correct me if I'm wrong, no? Okay. The main vocalist of SB19, he introduced me to the group's other member who were very welcoming and even apologetic because they said their studio was messy, no? So, saan na studio to, no? Comment down below, guys, kung ito na ba yung latest studio nila or baka hindi pa, no? Okay. Turned out they came from a gig the previous night and decided to sleep in the studio. Woo! Grabe, no? Humble beginnings on the floor because they couldn't commute due to horrible traffic. They also didn't want to be late for an interview and shoot. Oh, wow! Yung attitude, yung work ethic. SB19, grabe kayo. Origins. Before auditioning for ShowBT, Justin, the youngest member, and Ken, the main dancer, were students. Josh, the lead rapper, and Stel were with an established dance group, and Sejun, which is, alam nyo na, Pablo, the leader, was working as a data analyst. By the way, all go by stage names, okay? While each member had a different backstory, all 5 had one thing in common: the dream to be a performer. With that goal in mind, none of them hesitated to join the audition held by ShowBT to form a pop group, no? So, alam nyo na guys, yung sacrifices na ginawa nila, no? Kahit yung ganun yung pinagdaanan nila, even though na busy sila sa kanilang buhay, no? Syempre, it's a risk, guys, eh. Kailangan full-time ka mag-focus sa ginagawa mo, no? Which is yun nga, no? Mag-training ka ShowBT dahil yun yung kanilang pangarap, no? So, kailangan mo i-sacrifice yung work mo and then yung time mo at the same time, no? So, yun ang ginawa ng SB19, no? Still record the tedious process, no? Correct me if I'm wrong kung tama pronunciation ko dito, no? It all started with the audition. When we got in, We went through grueling training sessions, no? Correct me if I'm wrong, kung tama ulit pronunciation ko doon. Every week had an evaluation. So trainees were scrap of the team weekly. It would happen spontaneously. Oh, alam ko tama ako doon. Sometimes we'd also have weekly tasks to determine who'd stay and who'd go. So ito yung from 100 plus na audition, no? So paunti siya ng paunti. At the end of the training camp, there was just 5 of them. SB19 was born on. So, ay, next tayo guys, no? Tama ba? Tama ba yung ano ko po? Okay, ito tayo, no? Sejun said SB stands for sound break. Alam natin yan. Because the main goal of group is to break into the music scene of the Philippines were with our new and fresh sound. 19 represents the youthful generation and the combination of the country codes of the Philippines and Korea. The Philippines country code is 63 and Korea is 82. So 6 plus 3, 8 plus 2 is equals to 19. So on and so forth na. Okay. 4-year process. So napakatagal guys ng kanilang training na pinagdaan ng po talaga guys. Tandaan niyo yan. Hindi siya into the point na sige, training kayo dyan, kumanta kayo dyan, pakinggan kayo. Okay, sige, buo na, grupo na tayo, no? Hindi yun ganun, guys. It's a process po talaga. No? Matinding proseso at salaan po talaga ang nangyari, no? Before their debut, members of SB19 had to hone their talent. Hone nga to. Had to hone. Parang N kasi, parang N sorry. Had to hone their talent and perfect their craft for 4 years. No? Excuse me. The period, according to Josh, saw the group facing many struggles. No, coming in, we knew we'd have to give up a lot mentally and physically. Josh recalled we had financial problems and family problems. Sometimes our own parents couldn't even support us anymore because 4 years without a big break was a difficult thing to accept. No. So yun guys, ang pinakamahirap sinabi ko sa inyo, no? Walang kasiguraduhan yung ginagawa nyo kung saan mapupunta siya, no? Isa lang ang pangahawakan mo dyan, kundi yung pangarap mo, no? Yun ang pangahawakan mo lang po dyan guys, no? Which is yung pangarap mo po, no? So ayun yung nangyari sa SB19, no? Hindi nila sure kung may patutunguhan to, pero dahil ito yung pangarap namin, sige ituloy natin to, no? Walang masama kung susubukan, no? Pero ang mahirap dito guys is yung risk, no? Yung time na may tendency kasi ng ganun guys, no? O sige, piniperso mo yung dreams mo, pero hindi mo alam kung okay ba yung tinatahak mong landas, no? Kasi syempre, masasayang mo rin yung oras na pwedeng dito na lang pala ako nag-focus, no? Pero syempre, since sobrang buo yung loob nila, no? And sobrang buo yung kanilang puso and pagpupursige sa kanilang passion, no? So talagang pinush po talaga nila, no? Okay? Contrary to popular belief, the group was not trained in Korea, no? So dito sila nag-train guys, no? They were trained right here by a combination of Filipino and Korean mentors. When they did go to Korea, it was to record their songs and prove they had what it takes, no? In Korea, SB19 performed with the likes of Psy, ano to? I'm sorry guys, hindi ko mabasa. And G-Friend, parang up portion eh. Sorry, hindi ko mabasa talaga guys. In arenas with crowds of more than 20,000. The reception by the Korean crowds was great, no? The guys believed they proved their talent, no? So, syempre, no? Inspiration nila is K-pop groups and K-pop background talaga, no? Like yung sa music and sa touch ng kanilang yung approach ng kanilang music and then song, no? Talagang K-pop po talaga, no? Since nag-train sa kanila is mostly Korean staffs, Korean na mga coaches, no? And okay, according to Stel, the group practices singing and dancing each number they compose at least 30 times a day, no? Okay, no? The aim is to practice each song at least 1,000 times. Okay, alam niyo ang moment na yan, guys, no? 1,000 times sila nagpa-practice and inulit-ulit ang go up, no? Di ba? Only after reaching the 1,000 mark do they release it, 'di ba? Grabe, no? Tindi. Okay, on Justin oversized basic tee and black sweatshirt forever 21. Ay, mali na yata yan. Iba na yata yan. Ay, sorry. Okay, dito tayo. Online reception. This perfectionist mindset is probably why their online content is full of positivity. Okay, I have yet to see online haters bashers of the group, no? Pero alam natin nung lumabas na talaga sila sa media, no? Like nakilala na sila, no? doon na dumating yung mga bashing guys. Alam niyo na, yung hindi tayo sanay kung ano yung approach nila sa music, kung ano yung approach nila sa music, kung ano yung approach nila sa kanilang sense of fashion, no. Alam mo yun, maraming nanibago po talaga guys. Sabi nila K-pop. Although guys ha, hindi natin matatangi guys, sobrang laki talaga ng influence ng K-pop sa kanila, no. Hindi yung matatangi guys na talagang yung idea, yung kanilang the way of nag-act sila is talagang andun talaga yung K-pop guys. So don't get me wrong guys, hindi ko sila hate, hindi ko sila binabash, pero yun talaga yun guys, doon sila nagsimula, no. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, ang nag-train sa kanila is a Korean company guys, no. Korean company guys, tandaan nyo, no. So talagang ituturo sa kanila is kung paano yung approach nung Korean company, no. And yung paano sila nag-train ng mga K-pop groups and K-pop artists, no. So don't get me wrong guys, hindi ko sila hate, no. Ina-explain ko lang sa inyo, no. Kaya yung mga tao na nibago na kung bakit gano'n, no. And alam nyo na guys, yung merong nakaka-trigger na moment, no. Yung merong yung sa media interview nila, no. Sinasabi, ano ba yan? Ba't may makeup? Inis ako, yun ulitin. Okay, tuloy tayo. It feels so good that Filipinos appreciate our music. We all know that Filipinos have been so used to rock bands and ballads. So we were shocked by the positive response, said Ken, no. So, kasi gano'n naman yun guys doon natin babasagin yun guys, no? Kasi mas maganda guys na meron tayong kakaibang makikita naman. Although na nakatakot kasi hindi natin alam kung tatanggapin ng maayos na tao, hindi natin alam kung yung mga tao ba is ma-appreciate yung ginagawa natin, no? Which is, ang nangyari naman is kahit maraming mga bashing na nangyari and marami ding naniwala, no, ang SB19 talagang nagpursige pa rin po sila, no? Like parang kahit anong mangyari, tuloy na to, passion natin to, no. Yung mga bashers na yan, hayaan nyo na, basta't tuloy natin to, no. And yun yung mga nangyari ngayon guys, no. Although na meron pa rin mga bashers ngayon, no, pero hindi, kasi tandaan nyo guys, pag sikat na kayo, kahit nga hindi kayo sikat meron pa rin pong mga basher yan guys, tandaan nyo po, no. Kahit anong mangyari guys, meron kayong bashers dyan, no. So ayun lang, okay, tuloy na to, let's go. Wait lang. Okay, tuloy. I'm very sorry. May chinek lang ako sa aking sa aking application, no. Okay, game. This response was apparent during their performance the night before our interview. Yesterday was the most memorable show we had, said Sejun or Pablo, no. There were a lot of people and they were really singing along with us. So yun, no. Talaga sumasabay na sila sa kanta ng SB19, no. They were singing so loud we couldn't even hear our music anymore. I want to cry on stage, nakakilig, no. So ito yung mga moment guys na talagang paganda na sila, no? Paangat na po sila, no? They also received praise from a renowned Korean producer they worked with when they recorded their single Go Up. Still recalled how this producer who has worked with other famous idol groups in Korea told them, this is the first time I've worked with a Filipino idol group and never expected Filipinos to be this good, no? So actually guys, tayo mga Pinoy, kilala tayo guys sa ating talento sa pagkanta guys, no? Alam niyo naman, sobrang grabe ang Pinoy pagdating sa pagkanta, no? And sobrang underrated po guys ng mga Pinoy pagdating sa pagsasayaw guys, no? Sobrang underrated guys, no? To be honest with you guys, napakaraming mga Pinoy nagre-represent sa ibang bansa na hindi natin alam, no? Jaboakis guys, ang bumuo niyan guys, isa sa mga bumuo niyan and mga original members niyan, mostly nga mga members nila is mga Pinoy po guys, no. Sobra, ayan, sa mga hindi niya alam ha, Jaboakis, they are labeled as the most famous dancers po talaga guys, no. The most famous hip-hop dancer ang Jaboakis guys, no. Inawardan nga sila ng mga legit na hip-hop competitions, hip-hop artists, mga dancers po talaga, no, mga legit po talaga na sila, ni-recognize sila na most famous hip-hop dancers, no, hip-hop group, no, ang Jaboakis, no. And andyan din guys, kung kailan nyo si Keanu Madrid, isa rin yan sa mga solido mga dancers, no. Brian Puspos, siya yung choreographer ni Jungkook, and I'm pretty sure si Keanu Madrid nag-choreograph din siya sa BTS, no. Napakarami guys, napakaraming mga Pinoy sa ibang bansa. Hindi ko lang maalala kung sino pa yung iba, pero napakaraming mga Pinoy na dancer po talaga na nagre-represent ng ating excuse me, ng ating bansa na winawagay ang Pilipinas, no. Andiyan ng UPIPS na talagang nasa Pinas na ka-babes, tapos nag-dominate ang mga hip-hop international competitions, A-Team, dami guys, napakarami, OBCQs. Search niya mga yan guys, napakasolid yan. Okay, I go up for, ask who they go up for Each member gave his own unique answer. Justin goes up for himself first so that he can start helping others. Ken goes up for his goals, while Stel said he goes up for his family because of their unending support. Josh revealed an inspiring backstory. I've been through a lot in my life. My childhood was rough. I never got to meet my father. I finished only elementary and I just pursued working for myself. I was really independent and so I go up for myself. No? Finally, Sejun said, all my life I felt the need to prove myself to everyone. I've always wanted to be an artist, but I never had the chance to take the path because of various responsibilities. Basa niya ba? Wait lang, adjust ko. Yan, okay. Okay, sabi niya, various responsibilities. I go up for me, myself, my family, and everyone who believes in me, no? So far, guys, no? Alam niyo naman, no? Ang masalimuot po talaga, no? Ang pinaka-grabe pinagdaanan talaga is si Josh po talaga, guys, no? Alam niyo yan, si Josh ang may pinaka-grabing pinagdaanan sa kanila, no? Although na si Stel, isa na rin si Stel, no? Pero for me, pagdating sa sa backstory, hindi pa yung mismong nandun sa moment na nag-training sila sa SB19, way back pa po talaga. Si Josh ang may pinakamahirap na pinagdaanan po talaga, no? As in, no? Alam niyo yan, guys, no? And, okay. Okay, ano nangyari? Ba't na po ba ko dito? Na-move dyan, ano nangyari? Thumbnail ko yan eh. Wait lang. Okay? I'm very sorry for that one. Naklik ko yung thumbnail na ginawa ko nakaraan. Okay na. Ano yun? Segue yun para panoorin nyo yung video na yun. Okay guys, okay, tuloy tayo na. For all those who believe, promise. For all those who believe in this young man, the guys are beyond thankful, said Justin. To all our supporters, to all those who appreciate us, we would like to say thank you. We don't know how else we can repay you for your support other than by working harder, practicing harder, and giving our all so that we will be able to give you satisfying performance. I left the dance studio with the boys on the floor, bundled together, playing Nintendo Switch, with pure joy on their faces. They are truly group of humble and genuine artists. If they keep this up, going up won't be a problem. They will surely reach the top if they haven't already in no time. No? Guys, asa na ba sila ngayon, no? Asa na sila ngayon? 'Di ba? Like ini-expect ng gumawa ng article na to na sigurado siya na talagang paabot nilang SB19 yung goal nila pag nagtuloy-tuloy sila, no? Pero nakita niyo naman, guys, no? Nakita niyo kung paano magpursige ang SB19, no? Pero naman to. Okay? Let's go, Josh. Ang Josh statement T and distressed jeans forever 21. Okay, jeans yung kay Josh. Okay na. Isa to sa mga nila, sa mga endorsement pinaka-umpisang or simulang endorsement nila, mga endorsement na nagsimula. Ano ba tama to? Mga endorsement talaga na naniwala sa kanila. Okay. On Sejun, pink basic tee, bomber jacket, and black distressed jeans forever 21. Okay. Sino ba next? Ito yung binasa ko kanina. Justin, oversized basic tee, black sweat shorts forever 21. Okay. And then si Ken, you know, itim pa yung buhok ni Ken, guys, no? Okay. Yan, para makita nyo. Yan. Ang kay Ken naman, no? Hindi ko mabasa. I'm sorry. Ito kay Stel, yun, no? Kay Stel, olive short sleeve shirt and checkered trousers forever 21. Okay. Humble beginnings. So, ayan. Ayan, no? Meron may caption sa taas. Philippine Daily Inquirer, guys. So, makikita nyo naman. Okay. That's it. Grabe talaga pinagdaanan ng ating mahalima, guys, no? So, ang sarap lang. Balikan ng mga ganitong klaseng mga movies, no? Ang sarap na nakikita natin sila na kung ano yung pinaghirapan nila before is naabot na po talaga nila ngayon, no? Like, talagang there's a saying, ano, na hindi lahat ng naghihirap is wait nga, hanapin ko nga. Ito guys, no. This is my favorite line po kung nanonood kayo ng anime, no. Hajime no Ippo, no. Okay. Ito, not everyone who works hard is rewarded, but all those who succeed have worked hard, no. So, etong first line, guys, ito yung time na pinagdadaanan pa lang ng SB19 yung dapat nilang pagdaanan, no? Which is, kung ano yung binasa natin kanina na article, andito pa sila sa stage na to. Not everyone who works hard is rewarded, no? So, nagpupursigaw po sila na maabot yung kanilang pangarap, no? Tapos hindi nila alam kung may patutunguhan, no? Okay. So, okay, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo, pero ito yung motivation nila. Sige, tuloy lang tayo. Hindi natin alam kung may reward tayo makukuha. Hindi natin alam kung magagawa natin yung pangarap natin, kung matutumbok natin, pero tara, work hard lang tayo. Pero ngayon, ito na po yung phrase para sa kanila, no? But all those who succeed have worked hard, no? So, nagigets niyo yung pinaka thought nung quote na to, guys, no? Ibig sabihin lang na itong second line, no? Lahat ng nag-succeed is naghirap. Like, lahat na nag-succeed is may pinagdaanan po talaga na challenges sa buhay, no? So, ibig sabihin lang dito, guys, hanggat hindi pa naaabot yung pangarap mo, no? Excuse me ulit, napakoy na ubo. Hanggat hindi pa naaabot yung pangarap mo, no? Sige, tuloy-tuloy mo lang, no? Pero tandaan mo, no? Lahat ng yan magbubunga sa bandang huli, no? Dahil pinaghirapan mo yan, no? Wait lang, guys, ha? Okay, tuloy. Indubo ko lang na matindi yung ubo ko. Okay, no? So, in Tagalog, hindi lahat na nagpupursige ay nabibiyayaan, o hindi lahat ng nagpupursige is nagbibigyan ng reward. Yan, ng reward, no? Pero lahat ng nag-succeed ay dumaan sa matinding challenge, no? So, na-imagine nyo yung pinaka-thought, no? So, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na very fitting po talaga sa SB19, no? Okay? Wow, thank you so much ulit sa nag-request nito, no? A very big shoutout ulit sa iyo. Who's that again? Yan. Joanne Gonzalez, no? A very big shoutout sa iyo, no? Napaka-solid na itong binigay mo sa aking quote, no? Ang galing, napaka-solid, no? And I hope, guys, no, na maging reflection po ito sa lahat ng ating pinagdaanan, no? And maging reflection din to sa lahat po ng pinagdaanan. Hindi lang syempre ng SB19, hindi rin pinagdaan natin, pero sa lahat po ng mga nangyayari sa ating bansa, no, na kung meron kang pangarap, tuparin mo. Kung gusto mo siyang i-pursue, huwag kang magdalawang isip. Alam natin lahat ng bagay is kailangan meron kang masacrifice, no? Kung gusto mo yung mangyari yan, hindi pwedeng wala kang isa-sacrifice, no? Meron ka talagang isa-sacrifice, no? So, yan. Kumbaga, sugal siya, guys, no? Which is, ito ang nangyari sa SB19, no? Marami silang sugal na ginawa, pero at least, itong sugal na ginawa nila dito sa kanilang journey as in P-Pop Group or P-Pop Kings, no? Let's go! Talagang na-reward po talaga, guys, no? Okay. Shoutout sa SB19. And yan. Maraming salamat, guys, no? And I hope na-enjoy the video to, no? And as always, stay healthy and inom lagi ng vitamins, guys, kasi ba talaga yung panahon ngayon, guys. So this is Vitamin signing out. Peace. Bless you.